One of the moments when you realize that your child is growing up too fast is when they transition from their mini tricycles or balance bikes to pedal or BMX bikes. BMX bikes have been an absolute favorite of many parents as well as children, as these bikes are not only affordable and light, but they also make the upgrading process quite easy and less time-consuming. Your child can feel free and more in control of the vehicle because of the pedals and brakes. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best BMX bikes in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Mongoose Legion L18 BMX Bike. Whether your child is on his way to upgrading from his balance bike to BMX or has outgrown his previous bike, you can blindly rely on the Mongoose Legion L18 BMX bike. This is not just because of the experience of the manufacturers but also because of the performance that these bikes have to offer. Many users have no other option in mind other than Mongoose when it comes to BMX bikes. This is because this model has quality, performance, style, and comfort all present in one single product. So, if you have just started your quest for the best bike for children, then you have found one. The lightweight aluminum build helps riders with acquiring freestyling skills in no time. You no more have to worry about the durability of the Mongoose Legion L18 BMX bike, as the aluminum frame is resistant to environmental conditions. The newest thing that the kids need to adjust to while going from balance to BMX bikes is the crankset. You will not be able to move your bike if it is not functioning smoothly. Number 2. Huffy Kids Bikes for Boys and Girls. Not every kid is hesitant when it comes to this memorable transition from balance bike to BMX bike. Some are just waiting to have their hands on a compatible bike, so they can try new tricks to explore and upgrade their riding skills. The Huffy Kids Bikes for Boys and Girls are the best bikes for children, as it is not just cool, but it has got all that an adult bike has to offer. The unique frame having a gunmetal color base along with red, white, and black detailings attracts many buyers because of the looks. Luckily, they will not regret buying it, as it can level up your biking game. Although many kid bikes don't work much on brakes, as many of these bikes have only one speed. This indicates slightly less control on gear, but when it comes to brakes, there is no doubt about the level of function that they provide. Number 3. Dynacraft Tony Hawk Park Series Freestyle Bike. The Dynacraft Tony Hawk Park Series 720 Boys BMX Freestyle Bike is my personal favorite, as it can be your kid's best friend as he grows. The stable yet bigger build helps the riders to use it for a much longer time. Although the kids who are in between the age range of 6 to 10 usually want to have fun outside. Many love to practice a few skills in the park, while some do plan to pay extra attention by venturing out into the neighborhood. The Dynacraft Tony Hawk Park Series 720 Boys BMX Freestyle Bike is best for kids who don't have one particular place when it comes to practicing their biking skills. You can go to parks and streets and ride it on plain surfaces freely, as there would be no chance of losing control. It is best for people who are into racing in comparison to jumping and hopping. The steel alloy framework is quite resistant. You will not see many scratches on the bike even if your kid loses control or falls quite often on the road. This is not just because of the spray coating on the frame, but the pegs also play a major role. These structures present on each side of the two tires prevent the contact of the wheel, hub, and rim with the ground. Number 4. Royal Baby Freestyle Kids Bike. There are many brands that are known for their exceptional qualities and build, which makes them quite famous among professional bikers. But unfortunately, not all of these brands pay equal attention when it comes to bikes for kids. The Royal Baby is one of the top best-selling brands among other BMX bikes that are specially designed for little riders. Each age level has its own requirements that need to be taken care of. The Real Baby provides a wide range of options to users. You can select the color and wheel size which suits your kid's personality best. Children love to ride a bike that has a frame of a particular color that they like. There are two different brake systems at the back of these BMX bikes. The coaster brakes are common in bikes for kids and are present at the back, whereas the handle brakes are present on the front wheel of the bike. The difference is that the prior one rotates the pedal backward, so there is an interruption in the smooth rotation of the wheels and your rotation stops. These freestyle BMX from Royal Baby have patent-sealed bearings that will help in the rotation and circulation of the wheels. Number 5. Sullivan Mini BMX Bike. Well, when it comes to BMX bikes for kids, all of these bikes, no matter what type they are, appear to be miniature versions of the ones ridden by adults. But an exciting thing about the Sullivan Mini BMX bike is that it is even smaller than the other BMX bikes for kids. This is why this model is known as a mini BMX bike. The frame, as well as the tires of the bike, are different in dimension, but the overall look and build are the same as the ones discussed earlier. The Sullivan Mini BMX bike has a frame that is made of premium quality, high-ten steel. The framework is not just strong because of the high-quality material, but the thickness of the rods does play a role. Unlike the Huffy Kids bikes for boys and girls, which have narrow forks, those of the Sullivan Mini are quite thick. The handlebar of this bike needs to be stronger as it can affect stability and control.